Ready for more Mexican traditional food? You got it. Today we're gonna cook marrows, or tuétanos, as we call them in Mexico. We're gonna use the bone marrows in canal. Bacon, green peppers, garlic, lime, purple onions, and cilantro. And the first thing that we're gonna use is the bacon. So we're gonna chop it. The bacon, we're gonna put it in the hot pot. Of course, the bacon crispy. Now we're gonna chop our garlic. And now we're gonna chop the green peppers. You can use as much as chili as you want. And now we're gonna chop the cilantro. Now the onion. Our bacon is getting ready. Look at that. Once the bacon is crispy as we need it, we'll take it out of the fat. Now we want to put the garlic and the peppers together. This is how we pre-cook the marrows. Just water, laurel, and spices as you wish. As you can see the broth from the marrows, this is oil, this is fat, and also the juice and spices from the marrows. We mix that. Now we add the onions to be fried. Here is where we add our special salt. Now the cilantro, which is already dry, we're gonna add it to this oil mix. Now at the end, we add lime juice. And we mix it. Now we have a pot hot enough to set our marrows. We're gonna cover them so they can heat. We add the bacon back to the salsa and mix it. And now we're gonna get our marrow. To serve the marrow, I like to do some dry tortillas, as we call them, tostadas, to serve it with it. The delightful mix that we just did is gonna be added on top of the marrow. Delightful.